This is the way I make the low-carb bread. The procedure is: mix all the ingredients in a large bowl and then add the water. Mix it well, then get an oven-proof container and cover it with oven paper. Transfer the mixture into the oven container and shape it as a loaf of bread. Sprinkle a little water on the top and spread it on the surface to make it nice and smooth. When the oven has reached 200 degrees centigrade, around 390 degrees Fahrenheit, put it in for baking for approximately 1 hour, checking it once or twice during cooking to ensure all is proceeding well. After you remove the cooked bread from the oven, let it rest a while for cooling. Now the bread is ready to be used. This kind of bread will last for about a week. If it is too hard, slice and toast it. Being a low-carb bread, it is suitable for a diabetic diet.